Commander, no matter what you've seen on the news, you mark my words, this war is far from over. We've still got a number of blue zones up for grabs that could go either way, but that's not what's bothering me. Come here. INOPS has been interrogating some Nod POWs, and they've come across a couple spotty, similar threats here. Have a look.
This is only the beginning. Fire will fall from the skies. Disease will waste your bodies. And your souls will cry for forgiveness when Cain unleashed his fury!
It could be typical Nod rhetoric, but it sounds to me like they're getting ready to use WMDs. That's why I'm sending you to North Africa. If Nod's got the goods, that's where you'll find them. Hopefully a preemptive strike will nip this nightmare in the bud. Oh, and Commander, let's keep this one off the radar. The public's already scared enough. Sanders busy putting all the pieces together. You can get all the pertinent details from Kersey. That'll be all.
Commander, the situation in North Africa is still very fluid. Egypt is the primary target here. We just learned an irrigation plant just outside of Casabad is a front for a Nod chemical weapons factory. Obviously, we need to shut this down. To the north is the port of Alexandria, where Nod is distributing their weapons to the rest of the world. Unfortunately, it gets worse. We believe that Nod is assembling nuclear weapons in an underground facility in northern Cairo, which may explain why the area is so heavily defended. Anyway, the first step in cleaning up this sector is to take out that chemical weapons factory in Casabad.
Incoming transmission. The last communication point with the zone troopers was the barracks ahead. Secure the area. Unit under attack.
Stay together now! Yes, sir! Let's go, boys, move out!
Intelligence data
Listen
updated.
up, missile
New
squad.
construction
Rifle squad.
options. Objective complete.
Let's go to work.
Let's rail some vehicles.
Intelligence data updated.
Trooper squad. Got it.
Establishing video uplink.
Commander, the target is not a chemical weapons plant after all. They're doing something with Tiberium. Take out that facility and see what intel you can uncover.
Incoming transmission. This facility appears to be manufacturing Tiberium-based weapons. Engage and destroy it. Incoming
right.
transmission. Intel indicates that Nod has vehicle production capabilities nearby. Eliminate them. Training. Training. New bonus objective.
I got their codes.
Rifle squad ready.
Enemy unit sighted.
We're gonna need some missile soldiers to handle those venom.
On hold. Cancelled.
Engineer
Intelligence
reporting
data
in.
updated.
Missile
Okay.
squad ready for combat.
Troopers in the field.
Missile
Moving.
squad ready for combat.
Let's go, troopers. We hear you.
New
Missile
bonus
squad
objective.
ready for combat.
Let's go, troopers.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Reporting.
Where the hell is all the Tiberium at? Nod must have harvested it all.
I got all I need. I got this one.
Our base is under attack.
Let's do it. Move it. We got this one.
Building captured.
Ready for
Intelligence
action.
data
Look at
updated.
this.
Enemy
Time to
unit
go.
sighted.
Let's get over there. Time to go. Let's go, troopers. Troopers ready for action.
Unit under attack.
Ready for action.
Insufficient funds.
Trooper squad.
Keep your weapon ready. Squad ready.
Training. Enemy unit sighted.
What do you need? Let's get over there. Let's move. Over easy.
Unit promoted.
We hear you.
Our
got
base
the
is
codes.
under
Let's
attack.
go, troopers. Got it. I'll check it out.
Upgrade
Ready for
complete.
action. Hit it.
Engineer reporting
Trooper
in.
squad.
I can figure it out.
Troopers in the field. Got it. We hear you. Troopers ready
Repairing.
for action.
Yes, sir.
We're here.
Stay alert. Nod likes to sneak around.
Trooper squad.
Unit promoted.
I got all I need. Just give me a sec to get in there.
Building captured. Bonus objective
What do you
complete.
need? Troopers ready for action. Troopers ready for action.
Unit under attack. Enemy unit sighted.
Keep them coming.
Unit lost. Our base
Here,
is under
want some
attack.
more? Take. Time to go. We hear you. Troopers ready for action. Troopers ready for action.
Squad ready. Keep your weapon ready. Yes, sir. Roger out.
Enemy unit sighted. Unit under attack.
Troopers ready for action. Ready for action. What's the call? Let's get over there. That's right. What's the call? Moving. Troopers ready for action. Let's move. That's right. What do you need? I'll check it out. We hear you. Time to go. Got it.
Unit
Sit
under
tight.
attack. Enemy unit sighted.
Moving. Let's get over there. Let's go, troopers. I'll check it out. Time to go. Ready for action. Ready for action. Let's do it. We got it. Have at it. Let's get over there. Let's move. Oh,
They're up to something out here. I can feel it.
pin him down. Troopers ready for action.
Unit lost.
Oh yes, ready for action. We got this one. Pin him down.
Upgrade complete.
I'll check it out. Ready for action. Let's move. I'll check it out. Troopers ready for action.
Reporting in.
Trooper
Enemy
squad.
base sighted.
Let's get
Enemy
over there.
unit sighted.
Squad ready.
Intelligence
out.
data updated.
right.
Our base is
Ready
under
for
attack. Unit under attack.
Gonna take it. Let's do it. Oh yeah, ready for action. Get a load of
Objective
this.
complete.
Let's get
Unit
over there.
promoted.
I'll check it out.
Intelligence data
We got
updated.
Pin him down.
This ain't no chemical weapons factory. They're using Tiberium.
Unit under attack.
I'll check it out. Got it.
Unit
Get a load
lost.
of this. Shut this party down. Pin him down. We hear you. Time
Enemy
to
base
go.
sighted.
Let's go, troopers. Hey, we hear you. Shut this party down. Pin him down. Shut this party down.
Unit under attack. Objective complete.
Trooper squad.
Enemy units sighted.
We got him.
Our base is under attack.
Let's do it.
Mission accomplished.
Good, you're back, Commander. That facility you captured in Casabad turned out to be a treasure trove of information. Unfortunately, the situation's worse than I feared. Nod is building a Tiberium weapon. Dr. Giroux down at G-Tech is leading the analysis team. Doctor, what else can you tell us?
Nod has found a way to weaponize liquid Tiberium. This much is certain. Our raw data is still preliminary, but we believe a liquid Tiberium explosion would have a yield roughly 10 times greater than a 200 megaton thermonuke. Now, with a proper catalyst, such a blast may also create a self-sustaining exothermic reaction.
You're talking about a chain reaction.
Precisely. Any proximate Tiberium deposit, liquid or crystal, would be instantly detonated.
My God, in a yellow zone. That could be thousands and thousands of acres. Thank you, Doctor. Keep me informed. This changes everything. Commander, seizing that liquid Tiberium device before Nod deploys it, that has to become our #1 priority. I want you to take out that port in Alexandria. We can't let them start exporting components out of Egypt. When you've put those problems to bed, then you can focus on Cairo.